Hello everyone, this is our group video presentation. Our management theory is the control process. I'm Vivi.
I'm Jocelyn.
I'm Vivian.
I'm Amy.
So the first recommendation is set standards, clarify the benchmarks of goals and expected performance. In the description of the recommendation one, we want to establish clear safety standards and transparency indicators. Set the goals as prioritizing public safety. Define the responsibilities of each position on the aircraft production line. Generating the cost reports for violations and conduct audits after an accident occurs. On the steps, we have 3 steps. The first step is suggest that the reciting clear safety standards and the transparency indicators. The standards and the rules of its corporate culture be in line with public expectations, so as to change people's perception of Boeing and align with stakeholder priorities. The second step is collect and analyzes the clear flight data recorded over the years and by demonstrating the orderly progress of aircraft manufacturing technology on the production line. So it can to prove that Boeing aircraft are technically safe, revise the negative image. The last step is the leadership of Boeing publicly apologized on behalf of the company and took responsibility and to address the operational mistakes that occurred due to unclear authority and responsibility in the past. In order to gain the public's forgiveness and trust. From the principal aspect, the enterprise planning department responsible for discussing the public's expectations for prioritizing safety and replanning the corporate culture of Boeing, so that the public can deeply understand the essence and the spirit of Boeing. The safety compliance officers responsible for the high technical requirements in aircraft and manufacturing and the attendance to the safety of aircraft part in each position on the aircraft production line, so that the public can believe that Boeing's aircraft technology is safe. Finally, CEO as the leadership responsible for making apologize and taking responsibility for the accident, expressing the company's commitment to prioritizing the safety of all stakeholders so that the public can regain trust in Boeing.
The timeline and the locations. Day 1, a 30-minute meeting in the conference room to share documents, review past records, and assign research tasks. And day 2, team members draft standards individually at their workstations and upload them to shared file. And the day 3, a 1-hour meeting in the conference room to review rewards and finalize standards, then share with stakeholders. The conference room is for cooperative work. Workstations are for focused individual drafting. Next, the cost. Human cost, time and skills from team members. Team cost, project stages may delay other tasks, creating opportunity cost. Resource cost, software meeting platforms and physical spaces. Finally, the pollution problems. Unrealistic standards, research gaps may set goals too high or too low. Team disagreements, disputes can delay progress. Resources shortages, lack of tools or assign conflicts. Stakeholders' rejection, misalignments may require costly revisions. In short, a clear plan, smart use allocations, cost awareness, and risk preparations will keep us on track and ensure a successful outcome.
Our second recommendation is to make our work better by fixing problems fast. When something goes wrong, we must act quickly and clearly. Now, I will talk about our recommendation 2 in more detail. We will have a clear, crisp plan that is ready before anything happens. It will say who does what, when it must be done, and how we speak to the public. We will also train twice a year with practice drives, Q&A, and MS training. Step 1. Planning and approve. Write the plan, set the tone, and get approval. Second 2. Assign and train. Give jobs to people, set deadline, and train them. Second 3. Check and make better. Outside experience review, and we can update the plan after the quiz. The main people are the sheriff communications office who leads the plan, the HR doctors who runs the training, outside experts who check and improve it, and top managers who must join the training.
Boeing will complete the completion of plan its health credits within 3 months. Boeing will hold training season twice a year, which can be better face-to-face on or online. For each operation, Boeing will review and predict the plan within 1 month. Boeing will need to pay fees to contractors and traders. The company will spend money on deploying training methods and predictive simulation. Boeing's own employees will dedicate their time to complete these tasks. In addition, Boeing will bear the cost of training reuse or online platforms. Boeing may face some challenges. For example, some extraction at Boeing may be reduced to assistant regular training. It may be difficult for Boeing to find a time when everyone can access the training twice a year. Boeing's plans may become outdated without regular reviews. The public may still have doubts if Boeing computation feels interdicted. This measure will help Boeing better handle credits, improve its working methods, and win back trust. Boeing has the ability to achieve this goal, and it is believed that this change will yield strong results.
That's all of our presentation. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.